has the Neon Max shoes, Dad. Mine are trash.
Shoes protect your feet, Toby. Those took a week of hard work.
Eat your pea soup, honey. It's warm. Pea soup again? I want pizza like other kids.
You want the Neon Max shoes? Fine. Tomorrow, you come to my workshop. You earn them.
Deal. Working is easy.
We will see, son.
It smells funny here, Dad. And what is that smoke?
That's the smell of hard work, Toby.
Welcome to my office. Clean these 50 shoes, Toby. Every single dollar counts. Brush the dirt first, then polish.
Okay. I can do this.
Hold the shoe firmly, Toby. Scrub the heel.
Like this, Dad?
Like this, Dad?
Easy. Achoo! It's too dusty.
Patience, Toby. Dust is part of it. Now, apply the polish in small circles, like a gentle dance.
A black leather dance? Sigh. 5 shoes done. My back feels so heavy, Dad.
The first hour is always the hardest. Keep going, buddy.
But there are so many left. I am not giving up. I will get those Neon Max shoes.
Good job, son. Halfway there. Leather is stubborn, Toby. You need strength to shape it.
Wow. Your arms are so strong, Dad. The hole is so small.
Don't rush, Toby. Steady your breath.
I did it! Look, Dad!
Ha ha ha! Perfect eyes, son. You have artisan eyes. This boot belongs to Mr. Evans. He needs it for winter work.
Winter work? Like construction?
Wear these gloves, Toby. Artisans protect their hands.
They fit perfectly. Thanks, Dad.
Listen to the rhythm, Toby. It sews 100 boots a day.
Wow! It sounds like a train! Your job is not easy at all, Dad. It's actually super cool.
Haha, thanks, partner. Ready for the afternoon challenge?
Look, Dad. I am brushing faster now.
Good speed, Toby. But keep it neat. 3 more orders from the bakery neighbors.
More shoes? They wear out their shoes so fast.
Look closely at the seam here. A good artisan catches every tiny tear.
Oh, it hides right under the corner.
If we don't fix this right, Mr. Evans will get wet feet in the snow. We hold his comfort in our hands.
I will make it perfectly clean, Dad. No wet feet for Mr. Evans.
That's my boy.
Left side is done, partner.
Right side is shining, Dad.
Look at them glow, Dad. We actually fixed them all. This black spot won't move at all. It's stuck.
That is dried resin, Toby. Brushing harder won't help. Use a drop of this special oil. Let it soften the dirt first.
Oil can wash away dirt? Wow. It's melting away.
See? Smart work wins.
My hands are shaking a little bit. They feel like heavy rocks.
Time out, little artisan. Let's rest those muscles.
Thanks, Dad. It feels so good.
Drink up. Cold water is an artisan's fuel.
This is the best water ever, Dad. My batteries are fully charged.
Let's finish the pile, Dad.
That is the artisan spirit.
The express order is here, Toby. We only have 1 hour.
1 hour. Can we do it, Dad?
I will do the main stitching. You apply the edge finish on these panels.
Got it, Captain. Stay in line. Don't mess up. Mr. Evans needs this.
5 minutes left for this boot.
I am ready with the next part, Dad. Here is the perfect heel panel, Dad.
Incredible lining, partner. Fits just right.
Done! Exactly on time.
Ha!
Yes! We did it, Dad! It looks so cool!
We are a great team, Dad.
The best team ever, partner. Let's head home for dinner. The sun is down, Toby. Are you okay to continue?
Yes, Dad. I am not tired.
Almost done with this stitch.
Dad works so hard for me. Every single day. The last shoe. I will make it perfect for you, Dad.
Look at you, Toby. A true little craftsman now.
I am doing my best, Dad. 50 shoes, all finished, Dad.
You did it, partner. Every single one.
Here is your hard-earned reward, Toby. Your first $2.
Thank you, Dad. I will keep them forever. $2. I worked all day long for this. The Neon Max shoes cost $100. That means 50 days of hard work like today?
It is not just about shoes, Toby. It is about making things last.
50 days. You do this every day for us.
Work is done for today, partner. Let's clean up.
I will hang my brush right here, Dad. The sky is so beautiful tonight, Dad.
Because you worked hard, Toby. The world looks brighter then.
Look, Dad, there are the toys.
Do you still want to buy them, son?
$2 is too small for that, but it's too big to waste. I will save these $2, Dad. They belong to my sweat.
That is the best choice, partner.
Mom is waiting with dinner, partner.
I am so hungry, Dad. I will eat everything tonight. $2. I worked all day long for this. The Neon Max shoes cost $100. That means 50 days of hard work like today?
It is not just about shoes, Toby. It is about making things last.
50 days. You do this every day for us.
Work is done for today, partner. Let's clean up.
I will hang my brush right here, Dad. The sky is so beautiful tonight, Dad.
Because you worked hard, Toby. The world looks brighter then.
Look, Dad, there are the toys.
Do you still want to buy them, son?
$2 is too small for that, but it's too big to waste. I will save these $2, Dad. They belong to my sweat.
That is the best choice, partner.
The street looks so quiet now, Dad.
The town rests after a long day of work, Toby.
My first $2. They feel so heavy in my pocket.
You earned every cent of it, son.
It took so many brush strokes, Dad. Everyone works hard, don't they, Dad?
Yes, Toby. Every job builds a family.
Look, Dad. Our house is right there.
Mom is waiting for us, partner.
I can smell the pea soup, Dad.
Haha, your nose is sharp tonight.
Welcome home, my hard workers. Mom, we finished all 50 shoes. Thank you for the food, Mom. It's the best soup ever.
Eat up, my brave boy.
I'm sorry, Dad. I don't need the Neon Max shoes anymore.
I know, son. I know.
Your hands are beautiful, Dad.
They work for you, Toby. Always for you.
I love you so much, Dad.
I love you too, my little partner.
We are so proud of you, Toby. Appreciate hard work. See you next time.